Hello and welcome back to Food and Travel by Slim. Coming up, I am bringing you a very tasty and flavorful curry goat, cooked in the oven to lock in all the flavors. Watch till the end to see how it comes together nicely. To start off, I'm blending some green seasoning, have some chopped onion, some fresh garlic and allspice, thyme, green onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some fresh ginger. Adding some water, and then I'm going to blend this up. I'm using 3 pounds of goat meat. I've washed it. I'm adding some olive oil, some all-purpose seasoning with salt and black pepper and some allspice. I'm going to add the fresh blended green seasoning. I'm gonna massage this well into the meat, and then I'm also going to add about 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm only adding this portion because once I am preparing the meat, I'm going to be toasting maybe another tablespoon of curry powder in the oil. So I'm just gonna massage this in well, and then I'm gonna set it aside to marinate. Okay, now on medium heat, I'm adding some vegetable oil to this pan. And then once it's heated, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of curry powder. I'm gonna let this toast in the oil, and that is gonna ignite all the flavors from the curry. And then I'm adding some chopped onions and some garlic just to flavor the oil, and also add some extra flavors to the meat. After about 2 minutes, now I'm going to add the meat. I will be stirring this well, and then I will be covering it for maybe about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to let it catch a very good golden color from the curry, and once that is done, then I'm going to put it in the oven. Now after about 10 to 15 minutes on the fire, you can see the gravy is so thick already. This meat has a very golden, pretty color from the curry, and the aroma is amazing. Now I'm adding some hot boiling water, maybe a half cup to 3/4 cups. I'm stirring this, and then I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to put it in the oven for about 45 minutes, and this is all the water that will be added. So you can see that the goat will be cooking with very minimal water, and all the flavors will be locked in. Now while the goat is in the oven, I'm going to prepare my veggies. I'm using some Irish potato, carrots, some green onions, and I'll be chopping some bell peppers as well. After 45 minutes in the oven, I have removed the pot to the stove top, and I'm just going to be checking the progress of the goat. Okay, I'm just going to be testing to see how tender it is, and you can see that it is very tender, so it is already cooked. And now I'm just going to be finishing it up on the stove top. To give this goat a very nice rich flavor, I'm going to add some freshly squeezed coconut, and that is going to be kicking up the flavors and giving it a very fruity homemade taste. I'm going ahead also to add some more of my green season blend, and that is really gonna give it the extra edge that it needs. Adding also the veggies of the Irish carrot, the Scotch bonnet pepper, the chopped onions, the green onions, and some fresh thyme. To continue to receive more delicious recipes like this, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell that you can be the first to be notified when we drop these recipes. Also, let me know in the comment section how you like this recipe. Let me know if this is how you cook your curry goat. Let me know if you feel the oven is the best way to cook your curry goat to lock in all the flavors. So now I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, some allspice, and some Mrs. Dash. So here it is, the gravy is coming together nicely. I have added no extra water except what I added in the beginning. And what I want to do is taste it and to make sure it is to my liking. And once I'm done, I'm leaving this now to cook for another 10 minutes. And I'm checking back in, and you can see that the gravy has been reduced. It's very thick and rich, and the aroma is very amazing. So I'm adding the sweet peppers, and that is gonna give it that extra boost of flavors. And look at this, very tender, very soft. The gravy is very rich. The smell is amazing, and this is the end product. Please go ahead and hit the subscription button if you are new here. Also give this video a thumbs up to show that you are enjoying this recipe. Also let me know in the comment section if this is how you prepare your curry goat. Look at this, the gravy is very rich, very thick. I mean, this is smelling so amazing, and all the flavors have been locked in. You're gonna get the real curry goat taste, combining all the authentic Jamaican flavors of the allspice, the Scotch bonnet pepper, the fresh thyme, you know, the ginger, the garlic. Everything is just infusing and giving you such a beautiful taste, a beautiful flavor. This is the curry goat that you want to eat. And now for the most exciting time, it is time to eat. And look at this dish. Very beautiful, very authentic Jamaican style curry goat cooked in the oven to lock in all the flavors. This is the quality that you're gonna get in the real authentic Jamaican restaurants. Nothing is missing from this recipe. Guys, if you're new here and you want to continue to receive more delicious recipes like this, please go ahead and hit the subscription button. Once again, I thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.